Here is how to make this adjustable square knot bracelet with a sliding closure. You will need two 4-foot pieces of thin synthetic cord and 2 pony beads. Tie your 2 pieces of cord together with an overhand knot. Pin it to the bottom of your board and measure up 12 inches. Wrap each piece of cord around a pin. Make a square knot and make sure you leave 2 little loops at the top. You want the loops to be big enough to thread the cord back through when you're done. Keep tying square knots until the bracelet is big enough to fit around your wrist. I made my bracelet 6 inches long. Remove your bracelet from your pin board and cut and melt the ends that you used to tie the square knots with. Untie the overhand knot that you tied at the bottom. Add one of the beads. Then thread the ends through the 2 little loops. Then thread those ends back through the bead again. Add the second bead and tie another overhand knot. And your adjustable bracelet is done. Pull it open to get it on, and then pull the cord to close it.